So now that the standard replies have gone back to the consumer and the South Spock has been told to uh, pick up lens and work on the lens, we just log out and log in as the South Spock again, the regional Spock. So the regional Spock will log in, go to the same case, and we'll see that the mail has come from the central Spock which says please pick up the lens and process. So the regional Spock will ensure that it is picked up within 2 days, and so we'll go here to the action taken side and say assigned for pickup and update the status. So once the status is updated, next what the regional Spock has to do, we'll engage the technical team and we'll submit it to the lab. So once it is submitted to the lab, the status is again changed to submit it to lab. So once it goes to the lab, technical team performs the quality check and sends the report. So once they get the report, the regional will say received lab result. So the status is updated. Now assume that they have decided, okay, we will repair it and we will deliver within so and so time. So what the regional Spock will do is that he will send a message, he will share the quality results with the central Spock and say how much time it's going to take. So once you reply to the central Spock, and in that reply itself you say the quality team, the lab results show there is a fault, we will correct and have lens ready for pickup in whatever 4 days or 5 days or something like that, and sends the mail off to central Spock. And while he sends the mail back to the central Spock, you will also go back to the status, action taken, and say replied with resolution. So once that is done, you can see this case action history is continuously updated. Assigned for pickup, submitted to lab, received lab result, replied with resolution. So once that is done, now it goes back to the central Spock. So let us go back to the central Spock.